and welcome back to my vlog. I will just explain a little bit like why am I in another scenery and what's going on right now in my life. So I'm currently now, as you know already, in Slovenia. I'm gonna stay here in my hometown for, let's say, during the summer, but yeah, it's not so clear, so I don't know. Maybe if I get another opportunity of working or doing something in another country, I may take it, so yeah, we'll see. But yeah, right now I'm here in my hometown, just spending some time with my family, with my friends, taking some time off, and I will be now focusing mostly on doing my bucket list. So I want to do like the driver's license, which I already signed up for, so I'm gonna be doing it. I'm gonna start this week, so I'm really excited for this. Finally have my driver's license and I can show myself wherever I want to go, nice trips with friends and so on. Also, I am finishing up my diploma, my studies, so hopefully in the next 2 months it's gonna be done. I'm gonna finish my studies and I'm done with this part of my life, finally, after so many years. So yeah, I'm excited about it. And also I'm studying a little bit about the videos, photographies, and also learning Dutch a little bit more, which is also on my bucket list. And mostly I am just spending time with my family and friends, as I said, and also training, walking a lot, because I really want to go to the highest mountain here in Slovenia. And yeah, in the further video you were gonna see already a little bit of the walking tours, but yeah, that's mostly it. I hope I make it a little bit clearer what am I doing now, what I'm up to, and yeah, just spending some time at home. Hello there, I'm on my way getting ready to go to one hill that has also a tower, and then you have a really nice view, and we're gonna hopefully catch the sunset or just see the view. So yeah, we go for a little walk. Street and all the way up here from the forest and up here, and the road goes. So we are on halfway, I think, and boy, I thought I'm in a okay shape, but if I want to climb the highest mountain in Slovenia in summer or at the end of the summer, I need to practice a lot. So there you go, a lot of walking for me. We just came to one fortress. Well, it was a fortress, but yeah, it was really nice. Milo! Where are you? Where are you? Come on! Come on then! Come on! Come on! 15 minutes more! Let's go! There is a crossroad and I have no idea on which way I need to go, and my parents are like way ahead, so let's see. I think I need to go up here. Right. So nice. You can see it or not, but these are mountains. So nice. They're really, really far away. It's a bit blurry, but So we are on our way to go down. We decided not to stay for the sunset because the sun is still way up. So yeah, and also I think it would be a little bit tricky and dangerous to go down in the dark because we are not equipped. Oh, where is the snow? Where? Where? Oh, there is snow still. It's funny. There is still some snow left. So yeah, we are on our way down now. And tomorrow I have another adventure. So after lunch I'm meeting up with a couple of my friends. And we are gonna go to one natural place here. It's not so far away from my hometown. And they have a lot of waterfalls. Like 5 of them I think, and it's just really beautiful. So I hope we are lucky with the weather and everything, and we're just gonna have a nice time walking around, making some pictures, taking some pictures, and just have a good company. Hello! Hope you can hear me because these waterfalls are quite loud. So, we are now in the Hell Canyon, where we are going to be walking for around 2 hours, let's say. And we want to see the 5 waterfalls here. And it's so beautiful, really. So excited. We found the first one! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Like a survivor. We need to go here, like climbing up. It's an adventure. And we are back alive. Oh, my sister also went with us. But yeah, of course we got lost on the way down because it would not be us if we don't get lost or take another route that we should. But yeah, we were like going down in the middle of nowhere with rocks, with leaves, and we were like sliding down more than walking. We got it, and then later we treat ourselves for a little piece of, oh, I'm really black, little piece of cake. So yeah, that's it. Next weekend I will probably go with my parents to one really nice place. So keep posted. Bye bye.